Yeah, we only have one on here for us.
So Holly is bigger than Arius?
don't.
I remember Arius not being so
I
big.
couldn't tell you, honey.
I think Arius was littler. Yuck. Doggy slobber.